taken a water. Okay, so it's a glass with water. Now we will add this black pepper to it. Okay, so we will add this black pepper. Wow, very nice. See, so these black pepper, this is like germs. What are these, Shana? Germs. These are dirty germs. Now Shania will take her finger and put it in this. See, is there anything happening? No. The germs are coming into Shania's hand. Wow. Dirty, dirty, dirty. See, nothing is happening, Shana. Now we will wipe Shana's hand and then we will dip this in soap water. What is this? Soap. Okay? So now we have dipped the finger in the soap like this. And now we will see the magic, Shania. The germs will go away.